The Texas Education Agency is planning to raise standards. This change would impact students' grades. Under the current criteria, Dallas ISD has been rated a B. However, under new proposals, they would drop to a C rating. The Dallas ISD would drop an entire letter grade due to new standards, which can have a lasting effect on the future state funding for the school. Naturally, any changes to educational standards warrant careful consideration and transparent communication to ensure a smooth transition for all stakeholders. However, recent reports suggest that the Texas Educational Agency plans to raise the standards that can impact school district scoring, confusing students and parents who have seen a raise in similar scores over the years. There are questions about the state's timing and motivation for evaluating school districts without providing adequate time or resources to prepare for such changes. Public schools are facing a coordinated effort to undermine their funding, with some school districts joining a lawsuit to challenge the state's school funding system. The lawsuit's diversity of school districts, including those that are occupied in the rural and the suburban areas, sends a message that public education is beginning to dwindle and the state passes a controversial school voucher program in Texas. Opponents say voucher programs or educational savings accounts reduce enrollment in public schools and public school funding and could lead to lower quality education within some school districts. Dallas ISD Superintendent Dr. Elzard does not mix words in pointing out that the state of Texas special hearing will discuss voucher programs and how private schools can benefit. The House Republicans proposed a voucher system that's school choice on October 19th. The Senate approved a bill to pay for private schools and educational expenses for almost all Texas students. This includes a provisional related to teacher preparation, teacher raises, shortages, and changes in special educational funding and teacher residencies. Dallas ISD is prepared to file a lawsuit against and is developing a marketing effort to showcase academic success and compete with charter schools. In the past, rural Republicans have fought against vouchers, and Dallas ISD is looking to support the stance as they face threats from Governor Abbott over opposition to school vouchers. The Texas Educational Agency's decision to raise educational standards in Texas without informing district demonstrates a lack of transparency, leaving educational stakeholders, including Dallas ISD, grappling with uncertainty and confusion. As a result, students, parents, and teachers face a significant challenge navigating changes that potentially impact school funding. The current special sessions will conclude November 7th. Governor Abbott has also stated that he will declare a fourth session if necessary to address the vouchers.